Hi everyone. This is Byte Further, a channel sharing valuable iPhone and iPad news and tips. Today's video is about what do you do if your iPhone screen black but still working and how to fix iPhone black screen of death. When you're facing a black screen problem, there are often two scenarios. 1. iPhone black screen but still on. Your screen became black and blank suddenly or after a recent update. It's unresponsive to the power or home button or tapping. But the phone is still on and working. Because you can hear somebody call the phone and it has no display. You charge it and it vibrates and has sounds. You're still getting calls, texts, and other oral notifications. The Siri is working but the screen shows nothing but black. Sometimes the iPhone was stuck on a black screen with an Apple logo, a spinning wheel, or a loading circle for a long time. 2. iPhone black screen of death. Your iPhone has a black screen showing nothing. It doesn't respond to anything no matter what you do, as if it's completely dead. No worries. This video will tell you why the iPhone screen is black but still on and how to get the screen to come back on without losing any data. First of all, why is my iPhone screen black but the phone is on? Or what causes the iPhone black screen of death? It could be a hardware issue like a dead battery, broken touch screen, unresponsive power button, faulty screen or battery replacement, and so on. It could also be a software issue like a system bug, malware, storage almost full, crashed software update, and more. In the next sections, how to fix the black screen on iPhone. There is a chance to bring your phone back to normal while keeping all data. Let's do it. Solution 1 is to go and charge your iPhone. You can get a black screen on an iPhone when the battery is running out of juice. That means the battery needs a boost to get full power to get the phone back up and running. Now, use the lightning cable that came with your iPhone originally or any other Apple-certified charging cable and charger. Then, plug your device into a running power source. A wall power outlet is the best. Charge your iPhone for at least 10 minutes. If your iPhone suddenly went into a black screen, the battery might be dead and you'll need to charge the battery longer to solve the iPhone screen black issue. The black screen should respond to the charge and show up the red charging icon, and your iPhone will turn on the black screen by itself like this. If the iPhone black screen problem persists, try the next solution. Solution 2 is to take off the screen protector and phone case. An improperly placed screen protector and phone case, or even the SIM card, could prevent your iPhone from charging. As a result, you're stuck at the black screen. So, unplug your phone from the charger and take off all of them if any. Screen protector, phone case, SIM card, headphone cable, etc. Then, plug the device into the charger again and let it charge. Hope this time you can get your iPhone out of the black screen. If not, try the next solution. Solution 3 is to force restart your iPhone. You guys might say that my iPhone screen is black but it's on. And the battery has enough power and you know that it's on. Yes, unknown bugs tend to interrupt the software, causing the iPhone screen to seem black but still works and you can hear the sound. If this is how your iPhone screen blackout, a forced restart can help, just using a simple combination of button presses in an iPhone 8, X, XR, XS, 11, 12, 13, 14 or newer version. Press then quickly release the volume up button, the volume down button, press and hold the power button on the right side until you see Apple logo show up on the black screen. In an iPhone 7, press both the volume down button and the power button on the right side together until the black screen responds and gives you the Apple logo icon. In an iPhone 6s or older models, press both the home button and power button at the same time and keep holding them until you see a black screen with an Apple logo. If your iPhone starts up successfully, it should get back to life. Solution 4 is to update the iPhone. If the screen is still black, update your iPhone. You'll need a cable and a computer with iTunes or Finder software installed. If you're ready, connect your phone to a computer. Run iTunes or Finder. Next, turn on your iPhone in recovery mode. It's a common iPhone black screen of death fix introduced by Apple. Like doing a force restart, you'll press a series of button combinations. In an iPhone 8 or newer version, press then quickly release the volume up button, and the volume down button, then press and hold the power button on the right side until there is a computer with a cable showing on the black screen. That's the recovery mode screen. In an iPhone 7, Press both the volume down button and the power button on the right side together until the black screen responds and pops up the recovery mode screen. In an iPhone 6s or older models, press both the home button and power button at the same time and keep holding them until you see a recovery mode black screen. Okay, the next step is to update your iPhone with a black screen. In iTunes or Finder, you should see a dialog box. It prompts that your device has a problem. Yes, you have a black screen. To fix it, click the Update option. Go on to do what the application asks you to do or to confirm. When all the steps are over, it'll start to update your phone. Pretty easy, right? The only thing now you need to do is to wait. Because it might take a few hours to complete the update. In the end, your iPhone turns on and the black screen of death has been fixed. You can check that all your data is still alive. Solution 5 is to do an iPhone black screen reset. Just a kind reminder, this step will delete everything on your iPhone to fix the black screen. So before doing this, please try the steps again to see if they help. If your iPhone screen still goes black, go and restore your device to its factory settings. The steps are almost the same as updating your device. Connect your phone to a computer and run iTunes or Finder. Next, turn on your iPhone in recovery mode. The instructions for each iPhone model to enter recovery mode have been shown. You can pause this video to follow. When your black screen iPhone has been in recovery mode, turn to iTunes or Finder. Yes, you'll see this dialog box again. The only different thing is that you need to click the Restore option. Because you need to wipe clean all the data and settings to fix the iPhone's black screen. Go on to do what the application asks you to do or to confirm. Now, just wait. You can do other things first. When all is done, hopefully now your screen turns right back on and is up and running like me. Solution 6 is to contact Apple. If the iPhone black screen that won't turn on or charge happens after water damage, dropping, screen replacement, or battery replacement, turn to Apple. There are many ways to get Apple support. Contact Apple support by phone or chat online, set up a repair, or make a Genius Bar appointment for your iPhone. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helps, please give it a thumbs up, comment below to let us know which method helps, and share it on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, etc. Also, feel free to leave a comment down below with any other questions. To learn more tech tips about iPhone, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.